Hello, welcome to my channel. I learned shape's name. This is a right triangle. This is a triangle. And this is a head. This is a heart. This is an arrow. This is a gold star. Let's start coloring. This is a green color. This is a blue color. Light blue color. Orange color. Heart. And color is white. White color. This is a light green color. This is a yellow color. Let's repeat name. Please subscribe me. Right triangle, triangle, break. Heart, arrow, and star. I meet you next video. See you. Bye bye.